Hello, my name is Glory and I'm the organizer of this year's Django Girls Eket. So Django Girls is an international event that is being organized globally. Django Girls is a free program for everyone, to especially focused on women, to easily onboard women into the world of programming using Python and Django. So Python and Django, because these are open source softwares that these ladies or anyone can easily pick up to start programming or learning how to program.
Since we are using Python as a programming language, it's going to be very easy for people that don't even know anything about programming language to learn.
Django is one of the most popular Python web framework, which has a large community. So anyone that wants to go into web development, I will advise them to come use Django.
My joy is that with this program, most of the ladies are beginning to understand some things that they didn't know about before, and even getting to use Python and learning about Django, and the joy of even having to be able to build their own blog application, which is very, very awesome. So we are looking forward to more and more of what they can do even after this workshop.
The coaches are really helpful during the selection process. Like, they really made it so easy to work with, and they were really encouraging.
To be sincere, it was hard because programming is hard, but I enjoyed the way they teach, and I think it's what I need to try more when I go back home.
I'm very much impressed that there's a bunch of ladies into the tech world trying to, have a career and a skill in tech, and not just in tech, in Python and the Django.
And I believe that if I put more effort and I use whatever I learned today into good practice, I'm going to definitely ace it. Yeah.
This workshop is made possible courtesy of Django Girls and our beautiful sponsors, Python Software Foundation, the Django Software Foundation, Africa Innovate, Media More, and a whole lot of our other sponsors. We say a very big thank you to you, and thank you so much for your support, and we're looking forward to more of your support in our subsequent events.